So hello friends, how are you all? So today I'm going to be solving another lead code question and that is related sort array. So you are given a two array, array 1 and array 2. The element of array 2 are distinct and all element in array 2 are also in array 1. Sort the element of array 1 such that the relative ordering of item in array 1 are the same as in array 2. Element that do not appear in array 2 should be placed at the end of the array 1 in ascending order. So what this question is saying. So firstly I was checking this question, so I got little confused, but like this is the counting sort algorithm question, and like directly you don't have to do direct sorting in the array one. So you have to pick the two and then you can check how many twos are there. So let's suppose three twos are there, so you will place them like this: two, 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 and after that there is one. So one is coming one time, so one. So you have to sort this array one with the help of this array 2, and if the values are not in the array 2, so what you're gonna be doing is you just, if suppose 7 and 19 are not here, so you will be uh, pushing them in the last of the array and just sort them. So likewise this will sort the relative sort array. So are you guys getting any idea like how to do this? So firstly I was like, the question will be the answer solution. What I am gonna be doing is it will be in order of n log n. Time complexity and space complexity will be order of n. So it will be a bit lengthy one for my side, but you can do a shorter code also. So let's suppose I have created one object, and guys, don't be confused, like this is also a map. So if you are using any other programming language, so this treats as a same as a map, so it will be holding the key value pairs. So what I'm gonna be doing is right now the first step is to like take the count of all the values in the object. So let's suppose how many times the 2 has come, how many times 3 has come. So likewise I will take all the values, all the count values inside the object. So for let I equals 0, I is less than a1 dot length and I plus plus. So if my object dot has, let's suppose I'm not using the for loop here. I can do it with the for loop also, but for the time efficiency I am doing it with the JavaScript inbuilt of. So even, so what, if you don't know about like what I will hold, this I will hold the value of the item inside the array one. So what I'm gonna be doing is now I will be inserting, if object of I is there, so you just have to increment its count. So it will be object of I plus 1. Otherwise what you're gonna be doing is you just make it value 1. So we have like achieved one part. We have taken the count for the another part. What I'm gonna be doing is for let I in a2. So I will be doing it off. So I will check my so what is happening is like I have taken the count of all values. So right now the first index is holding the value 2. So I will check the count of this 2 in the array 1, how many times it has come. So I will initialize a loop, and every time I got like I will initialize a loop, and till that count, till the count of the 2 in the array 1. So I will declare one let a3, and I will insert the value here, object of I. If object of I is here, Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing is now I will just simply write one for while loop, because every time I have to increase the value also in the array 3. Let's suppose I'll declare one k variable to 0 here, and I will initialize the k to obj of I. So obj of I contains the count now. So I'll just simply push the a3 value, a3 dot push inside this, and I'll just increment the value of k. And one thing also, like after inserting the value of the a3, I'll just do like I'll just, because the values are now not changed, so what I'm gonna be doing is I'll just simply take the object and take like hash map and change the value to 0. So the values which are now pushed inside the a3, which are of no requirement for the object one, so I will just simply put the value 0 here. It will help me in the further for pushing arrays value in the a3. It will help me afterwards. So right now all the values that are in a2 are being pushed. So another condition will be like when I will be declaring one another variable, let's suppose a4. So why I'm declaring this a4? So actually I can solve this whole algorithm in the counting sort way, but far now it is becoming lengthier. It will become lengthier, more lengthier. So what I'm gonna be doing is I will be taking this object value. I'm gonna be taking that object value and I'll just uh, key value pairs in the object, like suppose key and value, and I have initialized the obj of to 0. So the obj of I whose values are not 0 right now, so I'll take that value and push into a4, and I'll just simply sort the value of a4. The other thing you can do to make the algorithm better is like you can implement the counting sort on the remaining part. But for now what I am doing is I am just sorting the array manually. So what I'm gonna be doing is of obj object dot entries obj. So I will check like if my value is equal to um, if my value is equal to value is greater than 0. Yes, my value is greater than 0, then there will be some value which are left out. So once again I'll not simply push the value of the a3 here, like I will just copy the part of here and I'll just paste it here. So I have to do the same thing here also for the remaining part, because there might be the chances like 7 is repeating and 19 is repeating, but but if we directly push the a3 value, so the 7 and 7 will be not pushed inside the a3. So for that what I'm gonna be doing is I have initialized one while loop. So for that while loop, what will it do? It will increment the value of 97 and 19. It will take the value of 719 and it will push it if the values are duplicate. So by far now my code is looking fine to me. So let's suppose what will be the, I'll just simply, okay, I'll create one a4 because I have to sort it also. So that's why I have created the a4 here. So what I'm gonna be doing is now I'll just sort this a4 dot sort a comma b, a comma a minus b. So I have just sorted that array, and I will use another array method, that is destructuring. So I'll just copy the content of the a3 and a4, I'll mix them. So what I'm gonna be doing is if a3 comma dot a4. So what this part will do here, it will merge the both arrays, the remaining like it will merge the this part of the array and the 7 and 19 part. So it will merge both of them. So by far now my code is looking pretty good to me. So let me check if there is any error here. A4, by far now code is looking fine. So let's give it a shot then. Okay. Okay, it is giving me some kind of error, like I is not defined. Okay. Okay, sorry. It will be like if k is less than. Oh, I had just copy pasted it and I have not changed the value of it. K will be less than value and array of push key. Sorry for that. So I have taken the way I have to take the value part and then the key part. So this will work. Yeah. So it is giving me the output and the runtime of this algorithm is 73 ms. So let's check it for like other cases also. Let's give it a shot. Yeah. So by far now it is being implemented. So guys, thank you for watching this video and hope you guys know what is this algorithm is doing. So thank you guys for watching.